Hey, it's Neil from Grade Savers, and today we're doing question 49 from section 7.1. The question is, what is the definite integral from 0 to pi over 3 of sine x cos x dx? And this is a trig question. I know how much everybody loves trig questions, so let's see where this leads us. We will let u equal to sine x because we have to use substitution in this chapter. Dx is equivalent to du over the derivative of sine x, which is simply cos x. And that's it for the u and dx. However, these bounds right now are in terms of the x variable. We need to convert them to be in terms of the u variable. So when x is equal to 0, u is equal to sine of 0. All we're using is this equation that gives us a relationship between u and x, which is equal to 0. When x is equal to pi over 3, u is equal to sine pi over 3, and this is where, if you haven't memorized the unit circle, it might be a little difficult, but it's equal to root 3 over 2. I'm not sure where I got that pi from. And now we can begin rewriting this integral. 0 is now still 0, and pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. And sine x can be replaced by u. Cos x remains because it cannot be replaced by u or dx, so it's u times cos x. And dx is replaced by du over cos x. And it looks like the cos x's cancel out, leaving us with a pretty straightforward integral of 0 to root 3 over 2 u du. And this is equivalent to u. You got to understand there's like a exponent of a 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2. And we have to evaluate this from 0 to root 3 over 2. And let's evaluate. We get root 3 over 2 squared over 2 minus 0 squared over 2, which is really root 3 over 2, let's just erase that a little bit. Root 3 over 2 squared gets rid of the root on 3, so we're left with 3, and 2 squared becomes 4, divided by 2, and this is 0, so this simply becomes 0. And 3 over 4 divided by 2 is equivalent to 3 over 8. And that's your final answer. Hey, thanks for watching. Grab the PDF from below, and remember, the best way to study is to join the Grade Savers review sessions.